Get ready to be introduced to a whole new level of food manufacturing technology with these mind-blowing machines. This state-of-the-art system ensures that every bottle is thoroughly cleaned and filled with refreshing juice with precision and speed. From the initial rinsing stage to the final filling process, each step is carefully monitored to maintain hygiene standards and product integrity. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about improving the texture and flavor of the meat. Excuse yourself from the boredom and watch how sleekly these robotic food machines are working in style to make dual pizza dough side by side so they can make perfect pizza rolls for our brunch or snack time. A mesmerizing symphony of machinery whirring and conveyor belts gliding as rows upon rows of biscuits glide along the production line. By slicing sandwiches, it makes them easier to eat and handle, especially for on-the-go snacking or sharing with others. Slicing meat allows for portion control, making it easier to manage serving sizes and adhere to dietary goals. This is fascinating the world of pharmacy stuff production in factories, where precision meets innovation to create life-saving medications and healthcare products. In these facilities, cutting-edge technology and stringent quality control measures ensure that every pill, capsule, or medical device meets the highest standards of safety and efficacy. The ultimate sweet treat that never fails to delight. Whether it's a hot summer day or a cozy night in, there's something irresistible about indulging in a creamy scoop of ice cream. From classic flavors like vanilla and chocolate to innovative creations like salted caramel swirl or mint chip, the options are endless. Here are tender chicken pieces bathed in a flavorful marinade, bursting with herbs, spices, and aromatics. These versatile tools are more than just bristles and handles. They're essential for maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in various settings. Ever wondered how bottled packed latte milk tastes? Well, it's like a creamy and indulgent treat in a convenient package. Imagine the rich flavor of espresso perfectly balanced with velvety milk, creating a harmonious blend of sweetness and boldness with every sip. That's what these bottled latte milk tastes like. Ever thought about giving fruits on skewers a whirl? It's a game changer. These marvels of agricultural technology are designed to streamline the harvesting process, making it more efficient and cost-effective. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button so we will know how many people are interested in watching our upcoming videos. To not imagine, just watch these slicing through cuts of meat with precision and consistency, ensuring each slice is perfect for sandwiches. Packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants and fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. When it comes to your entertainment time, what snacks tickle your taste buds and elevate your experience? Maybe you lean towards healthier options like veggie sticks with hummus or a refreshing fruit platter. These innovative machines are revolutionizing the meat processing industry with their precision and efficiency. These cutting-edge machines are designed to slice through dense brownie batter with precision, producing perfectly uniform squares every time. Using advanced technology, such as portion control systems and adjustable nozzles, these depositors ensure consistent portion sizes and minimize product waste. Convenience is key. Pre-shredded cheese saves you time and effort in the kitchen, eliminating the need for grating by hand. When you chop into an onion, it releases a compound called syn-propanethyl oxide, which stimulates the tear ducts and causes tears. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to heart health and reduced inflammation. Additionally, they are rich in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting satiety, which can help with weight management and cravings. Motivate us to create more satisfying videos like these. To the drill and smash the like button. They're not just a snack, they're a convenient way to fuel your body on the go. By stretching and kneading the dough, air bubbles are evenly distributed, resulting in a smoother and more uniform product. These hubs of culinary innovation are where efficiency meets flavor. Despite their natural sweetness, tomatoes are actually low in carbohydrates and calories, making them a great choice for people with diabetes. It's a tantalizing process that brings forth an array of satisfying and delicious treats. On average, a medium-sized mango contains about 45 grams of sugar. However, it's important to note that the sugar in mangoes mainly comes from natural sources like fructose and glucose. Beyond just serving as a vehicle for ice cream, waffle cones have a multitude of delicious applications. Ever wondered about the endless possibilities of chunky meat? Whether you're cooking up a classic beef stew, simmering a flavorful chili, the options are as varied as your imagination. Ever found yourself mesmerized by the hypnotic sight of meat being sliced? Watching the meat slicing process can indeed be oddly satisfying. From vibrant candies to intricately decorated cakes, colorful sweets are not just treats for the taste buds, they're also a feast for the eyes. Puff pastries are a true testament to the art of baking, with layers of dough and butter that puff up to golden perfection in the oven, resulting in a light and airy texture that's simply irresistible. That's a wrap for today, but if you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.